When it comes to healthy eating, one question confuses many people. Is dried fruit healthier than fresh fruit? Or does drying destroy nutrition? Some people say fresh fruits are always the healthier choice. Others believe dried fruits are superfoods packed with nutrients. So what does real nutrition research actually say? In today's video, we'll compare dried fruits versus fresh fruits using authentic health research, so you can make smarter food choices. Let's begin. What happens when fruit is dried? Fresh fruit contains a lot of water. When fruit is dried, most of the water is removed, but many nutrients stay inside. A scientific review published in the Journal of Functional Foods explains that dried fruit is basically a concentrated version of fresh fruit. This means dried fruit still contains fiber, minerals, antioxidants. But because water is gone, everything becomes more packed together. Think of it like this. Fresh grapes turn into raisins. Same fruit, just smaller and more concentrated. Fresh fruit versus dried fruit. Antioxidants. Comparison. Antioxidants are natural compounds in fruits that help protect body cells. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition compared fresh fruits and dried fruits. Researchers found that many dried fruits had equal or even higher antioxidant levels per serving. Because when water is removed, nutrients become concentrated. Another study in Food Research International also showed both fresh and dried fruits provide strong antioxidant activity. So scientifically, fresh fruit has antioxidants. Dried fruit also has antioxidants, sometimes more concentrated. Fresh fruit versus dried fruit. Sugar and calories comparison. Now let's talk about the biggest difference. Sugar and calories. When fruit dries, sugar does not increase, but it becomes concentrated. Food chemistry research explains that dried fruit is an energy-dense food. This means you eat a small amount, but get more calories. For example, 100 grams of dried apple contains about 57 grams of sugar. The same amount of fresh apple contains about 10 grams. That's a major difference, even though the sugar is natural. Nutrition comparisons show fresh fruit, lower calories, higher volume. Dried fruit, higher calories in smaller portions. This makes it easy to accidentally eat more sugar and calories without realizing it. According to research, dried fruit can raise blood sugar faster because sugars are concentrated. Fresh fruit releases sugar more slowly due to water and volume. However, dried fruit still contains fiber and antioxidants, which help moderate effects when eaten in reasonable portions. Experts recommend pairing dried fruit with protein or healthy fats to slow sugar absorption. Fresh fruit versus dried fruit. Vitamin differences. Not all nutrients react the same during drying. Food processing research shows fiber stays mostly the same, minerals stay stable, but vitamin C may decrease because it is sensitive to heat and air. That's why fresh fruits usually provide more vitamin C compared to dried versions. Fresh fruits contain a lot of water, often more than 80%. Final comparison. Fresh fruit. Lower calories, more hydration, higher vitamin C, better fullness. Dried fruit, nutrient-dense, high fiber and minerals, long shelf life, a convenient snack. The healthiest choice is balance. not avoiding one completely. Both fresh and dried fruits can be part of a healthy diet.